Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the most frequently asked questions in your board papers. This question has been asked in 2019 in your basic paper, but the difficulty level of this question is quite good. So standard children, you can expect this question in your paper too. Let's see this question. It is given two water taps together can fill a tank. So start with a rough sketch. Let this be your tank of volume V. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So two taps are fitted, one of larger diameter and one of smaller diameter. Now these two taps together can fill the tank in this time. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So let the smaller diameter takes X hours to fill this tank of volume V. Then this larger diameter tap will take 10 hours less than the smaller tap. It is given in the question. Or you can suppose let this bigger, or I can say larger diameter tap takes X hours, then your smaller tap will fill it in X plus 10 hours. This is your choice. Whatever you want to take, you can take. So here, first of all, whatever we have shown in the diagram, we'll write here in the words. So let the tank has a volume V. Okay. Secondly, let time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank be X hours. So this is the time taken by smaller tap, and time taken by larger tap to fill the tank be X minus 10 hours. So these are the things which we have taken. Okay. Now children, here it is given that if both the taps are open, then they fill the tank in 9 complete 3 by 8 hours. So first of all, we'll try to find out the portion of this tank filled by these two taps separately in an hour. That means in an hour, what portion of the tank will be filled separately by the larger tap and separately by the smaller tap. So I'll write down portion of the tank filled in an hour by smaller tap. So what portion it will fill? I can use my unitary method over here. If in X hours it fills complete tank, that is of volume V, then in 1 hour it will fill V by X portion. So by smaller tap is V by X. Similarly, portion of the tank filled in an hour by larger tap. Larger tap will be, if in X minus 10 hours it fills complete volume of the tank, then in 1 hour it will fill V by X minus 10. So I can write it as V X minus 10 over here. Now children, in the question it is given if both the taps are put on, that means if V by X and V by X minus 10 are together opened, then it fill the volume in 9 complete 3 by 8 hours. So this is the portion of tank V, of volume V, which is filled by both the taps in an hour. This is the thing which I have taken, the portion filled in 1 hour, the portion filled in 1 hour, and this is also the portion of the tank filled in 1 hour. So this is the final equation. I am getting it. I can take V common out of it and I will be getting it as this. Change 9 8s are 72, 75 by 8, and this 8 will go up. This V and V gone. So finally I will be getting it as 1 by x, this is plus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Now this is the equation which I can simplify by taking a LCM and cross multiplying. I'll get a quadratic equation. So let's see after simplification what sort of quadratic equation we get. So this is the quadratic equation which you are getting. You can pause your video and see the solution. Now here the coefficient of x square is not 1, so I will be multiplying this 4 with the last number. That means 4 into 375. I will be finding out the roots of your given equation, and you can find out the roots by any method, either by prime factorization method or by Sridhar Acharya's formula, which is also known as quadratic formula. So I am factorizing here by prime factorization method. I am calculating the roots by prime factorization method. So this can be splitted as 2 into 2. This can be splitted as 5 into 75. This again can be splitted as 5 into 15. Now I want minus 115 over here. So if I take all these things, 5 5s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. I'll get it as 100, and here this 15 is left. I want minus over here, so I can put minus on both the numbers. So here I'll be getting it as 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. I can take 4x common, so I'll be getting it as x minus 25 minus 15. I can take common from here and it will give me x minus 25 equal to 0. That means again I can take x minus 25 common, and here I'll be getting it as 4x minus 15 equal to 0. So here I'll get the value of x as 25, and here I'll get it as x equal to 15 by 4. Now children, both the values are coming positive. Then which value should I be considering? So here you see, if your x is 25, then 25 minus 10 can be written as 15. But if you consider x as 15 by 4, then 15 by 4 minus 10 will give you a negative value. When you will solve it, it will give you a negative value, which is not possible. That's why I will not be considering this x equal to 15 by 4. Although this term is not negative, but I will not be considering, because when I am going to put them here, it is giving me a negative value, and your time cannot be in a negative form. Here you can put the value and you can see the solution. Here it is giving me minus 25 by 4. So I will not consider. So this is the correct value which I should consider. That means your smaller tap, therefore smaller tap fills the tank in 25 hours, and larger tap will fill it in x minus 10 hours. That means 25 minus 10, which gives you 15 hours. Make a note. Let's understand this question, children. Here it is given, an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. That means distance is given to us as 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. So let speed of express train be x. If I am taking speed of express train as passenger train as x, make it as a passenger train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, then what will be the speed of? Then speed of express train will be will be, it is given express train is 11 kilometers per hour more. That means it is x plus 11 kilometer per hour. If you would have taken here express train, then it would have been here passenger. For passenger train, it would have been x minus 11 kilometer per hour. One and the same thing. Okay. So now here what is being asked, find the average speed of the two trains, and here you are given with the difference of time takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So difference of time is given. So let's first of all find out time taken by passenger train. So you know your time formula is time equal to distance upon speed. So I can write it as T1 say. So your distance is 132 and your speed is x kilometer per hour, and time taken by express train is say T2, and it will be 132 by x plus 11 kilometers. This is time, so it will be r and r. Now children, according to question, here the difference in time is given to us as 1 hour. But here you need to be very careful that which term you are going to write first, because you are going to take the difference. So I told you, the greater the denominator, the lesser the answer you will get. Okay, so here you will get the less answer. That means I need to write down 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equal to 1. Why I have taken this? I have done T1 minus T2 because the difference in time is given to you as 1. When you are equating something, then on both these sides the unit should be same. So here also this is time and here also this is time. That's why I have taken like this. Now you simplify it and get the quadratic equation, and after simplification I'll get the equation as, so finally I'll get this as the quadratic equation. I have not shown you the simplification. Now you will be solving it on your own and get this equation. Fine. Now you factorize this 1452. So I have factorized over here. So I'll be getting it as these are the factors of 1452. I need to get plus 11 over here. So see children, if I take 11 3s are 33 and 11 4s are, if I take this 44, then 44 minus 33 will give me 11. So I will be taking it as 44x minus 33x minus 1452 equal to 0. I can take x common here, so I will be getting x plus 44. Again 33 common here, I will get x plus 44 equal to 0. So I can take x plus 44 here common, and here I will be getting it as x minus 33 equal to 0. That means x is minus 44 and x equal to plus 33. I cannot take my negative value because your speed, x you have taken as speed cannot be negative. So this is rejected and this is to be considered x equal to 33. Now here you need to find out the average speed of both the trains. So this x kilometers, that means it is your 33. That means the speed of passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour, and speed of your express train will be x plus 11. That means 33 plus 11, which gives you 44 kilometers per hour. So this is your answer. Let's quickly see this question, children. Here it is given, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. So we can say let area of square having x say meters side is x square. If your one square is having x as your side, then its area will be x square, and area of square having y meters side is y square. Now according to question, sum of these two, that means x square plus y square equal to given 468. Let this be equation 1. If the difference of their perimeter, so perimeter of this will be x plus x plus x, that means 4x, and the perimeter of the it is a square, so make it as a square. It will be 4y. That means difference of its perimeter is given to you as 24. I can take 4 common and then I can take that 4 this side, so it will become 6. This is my equation 2. Now I have got two equations. I can substitute the value of say x equal to 6 plus y in equation 1. So after substituting, I will be getting it as x plus y whole square plus y square equal to 468. Simplified, it will be 36, a plus b whole square formula, plus y square plus 12y plus y square equal to 468, and here it gives me 2y square plus 12y, and subtract this 36 and bring it this side, so it will be 2, 3, 432 equal to 0. Now I can take 2 common, so it will be y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0, or simply I can say y square plus 6y minus 216. Now here I am getting it as 216. So let's find the factorization, factorize it. So this will be 208. I can take it as 2 and 54, again 2 and 17. I want here 6. So find out the values, find out factors here which can give me 6 as the middle term. Here it is 27 and it is again 9 3s are 27. So 6, 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 and 18, and if I subtract this, I'll get 6. So I can write it as y square plus 18y minus 12y, 12y minus 216 equal to 0, or I can take y common here, so it is y plus 18, and I'll be getting here again minus 12 common, so again it will be y plus 18 equal to 0. So y plus 18 common from both these, and here I am getting it as y minus 12 equal to 0. It gives me y equal to minus 18 and y equal to 12. Since this is negative term, that means your side cannot be negative. So this is rejected and y equal to 12 will be taken. Now if y is 12, then what will be your x? So say this is 3. Put this in 3. So I will be getting it as x equal to 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. Therefore, side of one square is 18 meters and side of another square is 12 meters. That's it.